Patty, where's Bridgie? Can you call her? Bridgie. Let's go find her. Call her name. Call her name. Say hi, Bridgie. Say hi, Bridgie. Oh, that's nice. You give her a blankie. Can you give her a hug? Careful. Oh my God. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice brother. Oh. Say hi, Bridgie. Say hi, Bridgie. Oh my God. What happened? Are you okay? Patty, can you say, I love you, Bridgie? Say, I love you. Go ahead. Say, I love you, Bridgie. Okay. That's nice. What are you saying? Say, Bridgie. Say, Bridgie. Bridgie. Patty, look, she's smiling. She's smiling at you.